Uh, Hello, my name is Rekha Bhatt. I'm happy that I'm the student of NIECC. I'm proud to be say this. I choose a right institution and better me is coming actually. One of my friend who was the student of NIECC referred me here. So I took online classes. I took online option and it was the best. All classes went very well. I have to thank all the teachers and especially Ramani ma'am for her help and support. This is the best. Thank you. When I attended my first class, I was not at all confident. A spoken in English class was going on. Sir told me to speak about Deepavali for 1 minute, at least in your mother tongue. I was very confused. I was not at all confident to talk in my own language, in my mother tongue. So now I'm very confident to talk. I can manage classes now. I got my job and it's going really well. So I have to thank NIECC for this confidence which building in everyone. So thank you so much.